Hello everyone and welcome to yet another video. In this video we are going to learn how to do a basic setup of ERPNext when you first time log in into the system, right? So this is my first time and I am going to just log in through my administrator account which I have installed, right? So once you log in, what you will do is you will see a setup wizard over here, right? This setup wizard basically is used to set up the basic country details and accounting details of a particular company. So over here, as you can see that the language is already English, country is India for me, Asia, Kolkata is my time zone and currency is INR, which is pretty good. Next, what I need to do is I need to just write my full name. So I'll write my full name, I'll write my email ID, okay, and I'll set a password for my email ID, okay, and then I'll put the company name. So company name would be VG Private Limited, right? So if you want to change the abbreviation of company, this is the right time you should change it. So for example, we call our company as VSPL, VG Private Limited, so that you can use. Chart of account, what you can do is you can choose Indian chart of accounts over here, and financial year will begin from 1st of April 2026. Okay, this is it. Next you can do the click on complete setup. So it will set up the system. It can take a little bit of time wherein you can wait and let it set up, and once this is done, we'll be able to see the desk view of ERPNext. So let's wait for some time. Okay, so the setup is completed. So it is just reloading the page, and this is what will come up once the installation is completely completed, right? This is the screen. Now what you can do is you can go inside company list, and you see that this company is already created, and all the other details will continue in the next video. Thank you so much for watching till now. If you like my content, please do subscribe to my channel and please press the like button. Thank you so much for watching.